Kids Media.
There are times you may require help from others to assist, or you may need to assist someone. Quick Assist is a Windows tool which makes this possible. Let's learn how to use it. First, let's open Quick Assist application. Since I am going to assist another person, I am going to click on the button Assist Another Person. Now I got a security code to assist. We need to share the code to other person in order to establish the connection. Now let us open Quick Assist in the other PC to test. In this case, we need to get assistance, so let's enter the code and click on Share Screen button. In the first PC, we get the options to take full control or to view screen. I am going to select Take Full Control and click on Continue button. Before you hit the Allow button, make sure you read the permission information. Now you can control the remote computer. You can use the Annotate tool to write on the remote screen. You can end the session by hitting the stop button.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos.